Friend, in this video lecture, I'm going to prove that 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 cos 10 equal to 4. So here I'm going to take the LHS, that is left hand side. So here 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 cos 10. So first I'm going to take the LCM of these twos. So here the LCM comes sin 10 into cos 10. So this whole term divided by sin 10, cos 10 return, then return cos 10 multiply with 1. So here that comes cos 10. This whole term that to divide by cos 10. So here sin 10 comes sin multiply with root 3. So here root 3 sin 10 it will come. Now here I'm going to, so there is one formula 2 sin A into cos B, that is sin 2A. So here multiplying and divide with 2 on numerator and denominator. So here 2 come and cos 10 minus root 3 sin 10. So 2 sin A into cos B, that is sin 2A, 2 into A. Now hereafter there I'm going to multiply 2 on the numerator and denominator. So here it comes 4 and these two I'm going to make the relationship with this and that. So here 1 by 2 cos 10 root 3 by 2 sin 10. And here these two make the relations with cos and this one. And hereafter sin 2 into 10, that is sin 20. Now hereafter 4 just write. So here you know sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. So that is sin A minus B. So here we can write sin 30 degree is the value of 1 by 2, here cos 10. Now for this one we can write cos 30 into sin 10. So here if I assume this one sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. So here sin A into this one cos B minus sin A into cos C minus cos A into sin B. So here cos A value is 30 into sin B value is 10. So this formula called sin A minus B. So here for sin A value is 30 minus B value is now here 10 divided by sin 20. So here for sin 30 minus 10, that is sin 20 divided by sin 20. Sin that cancel, here 1 come, 4 into 1, that is 4. So here our intention is to prove 4. So here finally 4 come. Now write LHS equal to RHS equal to 4. Proved. So this is the way we can solve this kind of question. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.